What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Mary Jane, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. So as you guys can see from the title, I decided to do a nice colorful look for you guys that's still dark a little bit but just bright a little bit. I don't really know how to explain it, but I decided to do a nice YouTube video for you guys because I've been gone for a minute. So I was like, I gotta come back with a nice tutorial for you guys. So with that being said, I am going to be using Juvia's Place palette today, and if you guys stay tuned, you guys will see what two palettes I have used to create this look. If you are interested, please stay tuned, but do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Peace. Okay, you guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Right? Alright, so I've been gone for a minute. I already know that. Sometimes y'all already know, like, y'all know if Mary Jane is not uploading on YouTube, it's because she's busy, you know what I mean? So don't knock me. I am going to reach that short-term goal that I had, which is 50 videos up before the year of 2021 is over. I'm like probably 25% there. Long way to go, but I am definitely going to reach that goal. But yeah, as you guys can see from how the eyebrows is looking and how this concealer is just plastered underneath those eyebrows, I already started to do my eyebrows, and I'm not even gonna highlight, I'm not gonna outline the top with any concealer because I just feel like I could do that a little bit later to enhance my eyebrows. So the concealer that I have underneath my eyebrows is the concealer that I use all the time, which is Born This Way concealer by Too Faced, in the color Maple. By the way, I'm gonna just blend that out underneath the eyes because I don't want it to just be there like that. But how y'all been though? Like, comment down below if y'all been good, missing me. I know y'all been missing me, but it's whatever. But like, comment down below like how y'all feeling about 2021 with the whole traveling, you must got vaccination shots, can't go into the gym without being vaccinated. Like, let me know how y'all feel about the year of 2021. Like, who would have thought it could get worse? You know what I mean? It's just only getting worse right now, but with the grace of God, we all gonna be good. You know what I mean? I already have my concealer on my eyelids, but I'm just gonna apply a little bit more, and I'm going to apply my LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Okay, so now that we got that base on the eyelids looking brilliant, you know what I mean, we want to put a bright concealer up there just to make sure that that eyeshadow is popping. Now you could go ahead and set your concealer on the eyelids with a setting powder. I'm not going to do that because I want my eyeshadow to stick to my concealer, and sometimes just setting that concealer in doesn't give you that applicant that you want. Now if you do feel comfortable with setting the eyelids, don't feel afraid to do so. We just not gonna do that here on Mary Jane's channel. Y'all already know how we get down over here. So what I'm gonna do is going to the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. I'm gonna take this color right here, which is like a black color. I do not know how to pronounce the name. I think it's like Walazana or Welzana. I don't really know. I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm gonna focus that color on my cut crease and outer corner of my eyelids. Now going back into the Warriors 2 palette, I'm going to take this orange right here and pack that color right onto the eyelids. with applying that orange, it should kind of look like a burnt brownish kind of color, because I'm using that orange to buff out that black, making sure that it don't look like it just patted on there like that. So your eyes should look a little something smooth and not so harsh looking with the color. So yeah, just that's how you know if you're blending it out good, if it looks like a burnt brown or burgundy. I'm gonna cut out my my cut crease with the same concealer, which is LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Okay, so now that we got our cut crease cut out, I'm gonna go right back into the Amazon's palette, the Warrior 2 palette to be exact, and I'm gonna go back in with that dark black that we got in, like that burnt little black color that's there. I'm gonna just pack that color right on the outer corner of my eyelids. Okay, so now that I packed that black color on, I'm gonna just take that same brush. I'm not gonna add any more color to it, and I'm just gonna soften out that black to make sure that it does not look placed there. Just softening it out by buffing out the outer corners, making sure it blends in evenly. Now I'm looking down because I do have my mirror right here, so I'm trying to make sure that I am blending it out just right. Now I was gonna pack on 3 colors onto my eyelids, but I have like my eyelids, I do not have a lot of workspace to do, so like I don't have a lot of space to work on when it comes to my eyelids, so I'm just gonna stick to 2 colors. And the 2 colors that I decided to pick, I'm gonna go into my Nomad palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm obsessed with this yellowish glittery color right here, so I'm gonna just start off with pasting that color on first before pasting on my second color. I'm gonna spray my brush with my setting spray just so I could pick up more product, because girl, I'm gonna be packing on for days if I don't spray this setting spray on my brush. You know what I'm trying to say? I do not want to be packing for days. So now I'm gonna try to pick up that color once again and pack it on just so it could be much more vibrant. Bam, I'm obsessed with the eyes. Like I it's getting there. At first I was just like really not feeling it, and I'm like, y'all probably can't really see the potential. I'm not, but it's looking gorgeous, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go back to the Warrior 2 palette, the Amazons, and I'm gonna take this white color right here, and I'm gonna pack that color right on the cut crease area as well, but I'm gonna place it right before that yellow just so that we can make the eyes pop out, you know, like into focus. So just so we can make the eyes pop out a little bit more, you know, that white is gonna bring all these colors together. So a little hack that I told you guys before, where you go in with the darkest color that you use and trace over that cut crease just so that it could look super sharp. So I'm going to dig back into that dark color with a nice fine brush and just sweep across it, just defining that cut crease. You guys, I want to apologize about the whole sound and everything. Like, I did not realize that my microphone was acting up until like the ending, like complete end of the video. So I'm here listing all the products that I have been using. Like I said before in the beginning, all products will be listed down below in the description box. Hopefully you guys still like the video, but let's just get back to it. And by the way, the lashes that I am wearing is from my brand, which is called Berry Jane's Collection, and that is in the style Spoil. If you guys are liking the way those lashes are looking on the eyes, because I think it looks remarkable, so I'm gonna leave that link down there as well. You guys can save 20% off if you go and buy some lashes off of the website today. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did doing it. If so, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, peace.